What's going on YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. In today's video we are starting off in beautiful Palm City, Florida. We got a little one today, little driveway, back patio, side walkway action. Without talking too much, I'm gonna jump right into it and we are going to start this video. Before we jump into the action, make sure to hit that thumbs up button, you guys, if you're enjoying the content. If you're new to the page, subscribe and join the family and enjoy some fun content. We got everything prepped. We got the furniture moved. We got a lot of debris off the ground. I like to just get that stuff out of the way before I start using my equipment. Anyway, if you're wondering why my sunglasses are on my hat and not my face, it's because I can't see the monitor on the camera right here with my sunglasses on. So, yeah. That's a wrap on this job, you guys. Still drying up, but driveway is clean. We're gonna take this stuff to the back. We got a blower and some good old S8. So we cleaned up this area. As you can see, huge puddle. Not quite enough to bust out the sludge sucker. So I'm gonna show you guys a little trick I do to tidy it up. I do that technique because in heavy puddled areas, it's a lot quicker and easier to just forget about it, come back, do what I just did rather than trying to keep rinsing and rinsing and it just refills anyway. I'm gonna wrap up, you guys, put the hoses away, put the surface cleaner away, but don't go anywhere because I saw a little pond in here and we are gonna throw the stick. Stay tuned. Really quick, you guys, I don't know if you've seen Florida's state flower, but it is beautiful. I wanted to show you guys. I see some right now. Take a look at these. Beautiful, beautiful, all lined up together. Beautiful patch. We're just gonna toss around this jig that I got on now with a Rage Craw trailer. See how she does. Oh, we're on, baby. Come on. Come to daddy. Oh, it's a decent one. He is not fighting at all. About 5 minutes in. It's at least 2 pounds. It's a good one. Thanks, partner. That bass we caught in like the first 10 minutes of being there, and then I got skunked for like an hour. So that's it on the fishing, y'all. That's also it on today's video. If you guys made it this far, please smash the thumbs up button. It helps me out, helps the channel out, it tickles the algorithm's fancy. So do me a huge favor, hit the thumbs up button, subscribe if you are not part of the gang already. I'd appreciate it. I've got some good content. I've got more good content coming out, but that is gonna do it, you guys. We had a cancellation this morning, so that's why we only had one small job, but I will take it on this Aloha Friday. Much love, YouTube. Peace.